Before you start this install, you're definitely going to want to make sure you have a CR2450 3-volt lithium battery that you can replace the current one in the key fob with. If you don't have one on you, because we definitely didn't, we'll have a link in the description below where you can pick it up off of Amazon and just have it shipped to you. Don't worry, your key fob is not going to die right away after you get the warning on your dash. You're totally fine. We drove around a few days with that warning being present, so it's no problem whatsoever. The first step that you need to do is pull out the manual key. There's a push button on the side. You're going to push that down and pull the key straight out. From there's going to be a little hole, and you're going to use the actual key, shove it in there, and press up gently on the back. This is going to pop the back of the key fob off, revealing the battery. Once you get that back part off, there's this rubber cover that's over the battery. You're just going to want to peel that up, and then you'll see the battery. From there, you can press around the edge and pop the battery out of the socket. Once you remove it, don't get it confused with the new battery and go ahead and place that new coin cell battery in. Make sure you touch the sides only, not the top and the bottom, otherwise you'll drain the battery a little bit. Now, there's a big piece of plastic on one side. You're gonna wanna slide the battery into that part and then press it down into place. From there, it's locked in and you can just put the rubber cover back on, put the plastic cover back on, put the key back in. Now let's go outside and test it on her Corvette. That seemed to work flawlessly. So if you want any other Corvette videos, make sure you stay subscribed because we got a bunch more coming out soon.